So here I'm running Cinebench to get the score before we install the 4GB of RAM. There's currently two 2400 MHz 8GB sticks in dual channel in the system. As you can see, we got a score of 598. Here's a picture of the RAM, and here's a picture of the RAM in the system with the other two sticks. So here you can see in the BIOS that 20 gigs of RAM is installed. So you can see in Task Manager we got about 20 gigs. A bit reserved for the system, that's why it's a bit lower than that. Again, focus please. So I just ran Cinebench there, but I wasn't recording, so I'll run it again. $594. For this test, we're doing the CPU and the system memory and some other shit. It's just a bleed test. I'll come back after 5 minutes. See here, it's been running 5 minutes. It's all fine, all good. Here I'm stress testing the RAM, making sure it's all stable and it works well together. You can mix modules with different RAM speeds, but they will all run at the lowest speed of any of the RAM sticks. You can mix DDR4 modules with different capacities just fine, with minimal to no performance hit. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and thank you everyone for watching.